The vehicle information display with digital dashboard displays information such as the power meter, speedometer, charge gauge, and more. Use these buttons to access and monitor a wide range of vehicle information, including warnings and safety features. The vehicle information display can be changed using the arrow buttons and this dial, which can also be pressed to select items on screen. Press this button to go back to the previous menu. Some menus may vary based on the equipment installed on your vehicle. Press this button to operate the touchscreen with the steering wheel controls, or this button to operate the vehicle information display. If you press this button while it's orange, the shortcut menu will display. Within this menu, you can change between two different meter views. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.